Let me appreciate all of you. Let me not bore your ears. Yeah. I am happy that we are all here today for this national convening and report launch on strengthening the nexus between democracy and economic growth in Nigeria, an important initiative of the Goodluck Jonathan Foundation that I share. This gathering comes at a critical moment in our national and global history. Across the world, democracy is under increasing strain. It is challenged by economic hardship, social pressures, insecurity, and a growing distrust in institutions. In Africa, these pressures are further reflected in contested elections, democratic backsliding, and rising instability. For too long, the relationship between democracy and economic growth has been assumed, but not sufficiently examined within our local realities. The central question before us is clear. How can democratic governance become a more effective vehicle for economic transformation and shared prosperity? And sometimes when I look at the topic, I ask myself that can we really say that democracy will lead to better governance than other forms of government like we see in the Arab world, the monarchies? So most of you go to Dubai, that's the center of the world. I know of some American friends that send their children to go and school in Dubai. And it's not a democracy there. So in other countries too, places like China, some people question whether it's a pure democracy they are running or a different set of government. But the recruitment process in China is almost second to none. Because we're talking about quality of people. In China, they combine selection and election. So before you become a mayor of any of their cities, you were filtered and you are one of the best. Can we truly say that our democracy is close to that? But one key thing about democracy, to me, I would say two key things that people embrace democracy is freedom and justice. In a democracy, we're supposed to be free. Freedom to express your mind on any issue. People raise that issues. Freedom to associate and you will not be victimized. Then, of course, justice. Justice should not be manipulated. And when these two elements have been taken away from democracy, then, of course, it's no longer a democratic setting. I don't want to really take too much of your time, but the critical thing for us as a foundation is to make sure that at least we add little thing to help governance processes. And that is why our main program is we have annual, what we call democracy dialogue, that every year we take one particular theme and bring people from all over Africa and have a conversation on it. This is an occasional paper that we are presenting.